guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and tonight I am happy to say it is time for the second annual CB Radio giveaway. That's right, CB Radio giveaway. Last year we gave away a President Bill. That was through the President Corporation themselves. They were kind enough to do that giveaway. And this year I am giving away my own personal President Andy. I'm happy to say that I contacted the president of the President CB Radio Corporation and told him that, I'd had this installed in my Toyota Echo for about a year and a half. And then I got rid of the Echo, and it's just been sitting on the shelf. And I thought, what a great way to give back to the subscribers of the channel. He agreed, thought it was a great idea, so here we go. In its original box with all its original doodads, the microphones in here, the brackets, everything is as new, except it probably has a little bit of usage on it since it was in my car for a year and a half. I do like to talk, but it's perfectly working condition. The President Andy, a great 40-channel compact CB radio. Now, if you haven't seen or don't know anything about this radio, I have 3 videos: a range test, an unboxing video, and a features and functions video. So please feel free to check those out. But as far as the giveaway, no money. This isn't a raffle. This is just a giveaway. I'm doing this because, well, I want to say thanks to all the people that subscribe to the channel. All you have to do to sign up for this is just go ahead and post a comment in the comments section below. And on February 29th, that's this February 2020, 29th, February 29th, 2020, at 6:30 p.m. live right here on the Farpoint Farms channel, I will do a random drawing. Actually, my wife, if she's off that day or working an hours that'll work, she'll pick at some point that day, scroll through the huge list of comments, close her eyes, and randomly pick out a person, and you, sir or madam, will be the one to win the President Andy. So that's as easy as it gets. That's February 29th. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Farpoint Farms. We'll give away the President Andy. I will mail it off to you, and you know what? If you want to, I might even get Skype rolling that night. You can call in if you happen to be listening to the show, and we'll chat for a while about CB radios. How does that sound? February 29th, 6:30 p.m., Farpoint Farms live. All you have to do to sign up, leave a comment in the comments section below, and you could win. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.